Hi, I'm Pure Nude, and welcome. What is this? Can my face possibly be done already? I don't know why I did that. Yes, my face is done because I wanted to save myself some time and hopefully save you guys some time because editing is a bitch. And I mostly just wanted to concentrate this video on the eyes because I don't know why I'm moving my hands. I wanted to concentrate the video on my eyes since that's my favorite part to do, and if you don't like that kind of thing, then no. This is not the video for you. But if you were wondering what I did for my face, you can watch my previous video. Everything is the same except for the lips. I removed the foundation from my lips. But other than that, everything's the same products, same process, kabam. And also, I put my brow gel, so in case you were wondering, that's why my eyebrows look a little different from usual. First off, eyeshadow primer. Let's get this part out of the way. So, it's December, and knowing me, and my lack of productivity, this would probably be up by New Year's. Most likely after New Year's. So, happy Christmas, and happy holidays, happy whatever, and happy New Year. How's everybody's been? How's your holidays? Mine's doing fine. My parents are coming in, so I have that to look forward to. And yeah, nothing else other than that. Like, I don't really know what to say about in these kind of videos. Like, usually, like, people always have topics that they like to talk about in these kind of videos. But it's like, I'm just here like, oh, I'm making everything up as I go along. But yeah, you could say this is like a get ready with me kind of process. I should have started with another color. But I just thought we could just sit here and talk. You know, like, we're just doing our makeup before we're going out or something. And yeah, isn't that what get rid of me's are? Anyway, have you seen any interesting movies recently? I have. I saw the recent Frozen movie. I saw Frozen 2. Why did I say Frozen movie? And yeah, I thought it was really good. I thought it was quite the magical adventure that you'd expect from Disney. But like this time it was like a little bit more deep than the first one. Like it really like talked about like kind of discrimination against like people with magic as opposed to other people with no magic. And I just thought it was very interesting to see that side of things because Disney, they don't really go over those kind of topics. So yeah, and the songs, they weren't as good as the first one, but I still liked them. Well, I didn't like them as much as the first one, but you know, I did like Into the Unknown. Like that was sung by both Idina Menzel and who, by the way, amazing singer. I would listen to her voice all day, every day. And I liked Lost in the Woods because of the music video format in the movie. Because like 10 out of 10, absolutely would recommend that experience. I saw it with my friend who's seen it before, but like she was like, "Oh, I wouldn't mind seeing it again. Like I still really liked it." And yeah, so we watched it together. And that same night, we saw Knives Out. You know, the new movie by Rian Johnson. Rian Johnson. I don't know how to pronounce. Is he a man or a woman? Oh God, I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce their name. And yeah, like that was a very different movie. And you know, just not the bad kind of different. I'm talking like, it was like a pretty good kind of different. You know what, one thing I really liked about it is that, you know, like, you know how in these kind of like murder mystery movies, they always portray like the good-hearted, kind person to be like this, like, how do you describe it? They just like portray them as like these like really dumb idiots who don't know what the real world is like, and they're very naive, and therefore they like get screwed over by life, and like, you know, like, in order to make it at the top of the game, you gotta be an asshole. Knives Out, like, it like did the opposite of that. You know, like, it really showed that, like, if you are a kind person and you take care of someone and you love them, like, whether romantically or platonically, like, whatever, like, good things will come to you. And, you know, like, and it's the people who are assholes, like, they're the ones who get screwed over in the end, because, like, hey, they're an asshole. Why wouldn't they be? And I thought that was, like, really, like, nice. Like, a very nice change from the usual. Because, like, being a kind person and being a selfless person, like, that's not a bad quality. I know people always like to think it is, but it's really not. You know, don't let these filmmakers and writers convince you otherwise. And what else has been happening? Oh, for those people who are celebrating Christmas, how's your Christmas shopping going? Because I don't, like, my family are not really like a Christmassy kind of people, but like we do get Christmas presents. We just celebrate Christmas for the sake of the presents. Like, no other reason. We don't do it for like religious reasons. We don't do it for anything else. We just do it for the presents, you know, and just being with family in general. You know what I mean? And I think that's beautiful. I do think that's beautiful. Because, you know, like, holidays are supposed to bring people together. And, yeah, just light up our lives, you know what I mean? And, yeah, so I finished my Christmas shopping recently. I kind of had a good time doing it. I mean, like, I wouldn't say I had a great time because, like, honestly, my parents are quite hard to buy for. Not because they're, like, picky or fussy or anything. It's just that, you know, like, if they want something, they just get it for themselves. Like, they don't wait until, like, the holidays or whatever. They just, oh, I want that thing. Cha-ching. Spend that coin. I mean, they deserve it because, like, they work for their money. It would be nice to buy them something that they always wanted, and then they're like, oh my god, thank you so much. How'd you know that I wanted this? And I was like, yeah, you mentioned it earlier. Am I making sense? Like, is this video making sense? I don't know. Because I'm really hard trying my best to, like, be engaging and, like, be, like, nice to listen to. But, like, I feel like I'm not. I honestly feel like I'm not. Yeah, so let me know if this change in pace is good. Because if you guys like it, I'll just keep doing it. I personally believe this will just save me from editing. Ooh, that Morphe brown. Really, this brown just made this entire look. This brown right here. I'm doing a very glam look, which I haven't done before. My looks so far have been like very like simple and nice, which is not a bad thing, by the way. Like, if you like simple and nice, like, you can do that. But like, it's in my hand. I've had this palette for a few weeks and I've been wanting to use it on this channel. So here I am using it on this channel. And yeah, like, do you see that look? That look's not looking bad. What else has been going on in my life? Nothing much. Like, I do want to briefly talk about the, like, Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star series. I'm not gonna go, like, any conspiracy theory or, like, say, like, oh, that sucked. Because, honestly, I didn't watch it, and, like, I'm not gonna judge you if you did. I just wanted to say that, like, I just think it was very funny that, like, when they first premiered, I heard that they were gonna be all like, oh, we're gonna, like, make a series about, like, all the drama that's been going on, and, like, we're gonna, like, address it and show you behind the scenes and everything. Is this a good color? what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Anyway, they said, like, oh, we're gonna be, like, showing the drama and showing you the facts. And then I heard that it was just all about, like, the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, like, collection. And this one's nice. And in the end, they didn't show any drama, which I guess a lot of people were disappointed by. Yeah, I heard that a lot of people were disappointed by, like, the lack of drama because, like, oh, you told us we were gonna get it and we didn't get it, so what the hell's going on? Like, are you not gonna address the stuff? And then, like, they kind of did a last minute, like, drama episode, and apparently people were satisfied with that. I don't know. Like, I just feel like, and hear me out here, I just feel like they just used the drama to kind of clickbait people into watching it, and when they came to deliver, they didn't address the drama at all. They just, like, start promoting the conspiracy palette and, like, the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection. This is not pigmented at all. Yeah, so I feel like they were never planning to address the drama. They just wanted to get people interested so they could, like, promote their collection. And then as soon as people started, like, asking them, okay, where's the drama? Where's the drama? The trailer showed us drama. Like, where is it? They were like, oh, we've just been so busy with the palettes and everything and the collection that, like, we kind of, like, forgot about it. And, like, they can do whatever they want. You know, it's their content. They should be able to do whatever they want. But I feel like if you're gonna promise people, like, that you're gonna address the drama, just address it. You know, it's not that big of a deal. Like, people will not accuse you of just using it as an advert for your makeup collection. I had a point, but I forgot what it was. Yeah, so I'm not coming after anyone because, like, if they did, I would lose severely. So that's my opinion on that. I've been considering turning to, like, some kind of drama channel because, like, I do, like, keep up to date with it. You know, just, like, reporting stuff. But then I was like, that would mean I'd have to, like, actually keep up with everything. And, you know, sometimes I just can't do that. Right now, I don't know what kind of channel I want to be. I'm still trying to, like, figure that part out. But I guess this video is, like, an experimentation of what I want to do. Just, like, sit in front of a camera, talk, and just do makeup. Because so far, I'm enjoying myself. Because all I'm doing is just talking to myself in this mirror. Now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll show you the look.
Hi, Editing Your Nude here. The next 4 minutes I recorded made the video way too long. So to summarize everything, I put the rest of my face on and talked about how I wanted to try cream contour. I talked about a few other things, but I can't remember right now. So if you're curious, I'll list all of the products I used in the description down below so you guys can check that out. Back to the video.
So that's it for the video. I hope you like this look and I hope you enjoyed the video. I had quite a fun time doing this and I do like doing my eye makeup on camera most of all. I just want to thank you for watching this video if you even made it this far, and I hope you have a great day and a great holidays no matter where you are in the world or whatever religion you practice or are in. I don't know how that terminology works, and I'll see you next time. Bye.